Welcome, today in front of me a OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So let's just first launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner, then click to the settings section and tap to the voice. Then go to the voice match, and here you'll see the OK Google switcher. Just to turn off this switcher, click once on the switcher, then tap to next, read the description and click yes I agree. Now just say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google. So after that just tap here to finish, and now when we'll see Hey Google or OK Google, this feature is activated, as you can see. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.